Hey Blockstar U crew, ever wondered why everyone's still talking about Bitcoin after all these years? Is it just hype, or has Bitcoin really outperformed everything else out there, even the mighty stock market? Today we're breaking down 15 years of data, real-world style. It's 2010, Blockbuster Video still exists, Facebook doesn't own everything, and 10,000 Bitcoins could buy you a couple pizzas. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin has turned from internet oddity into what might just be the most mind-blowing investment story of our time. Let's talk returns. Over the past 10 to 15 years, Bitcoin has absolutely crushed traditional asset classes. How much, you ask? Since 2011, Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed, up over 26,000% in just the last decade. That's not a typo, and it's left everything else, stocks, gold, bonds, in the dust. To put it in perspective, the S&P 500, America's stock market powerhouse, up about 193%. Gold, a classic safe haven, up just 125%. Even hot assets like real estate, bonds, and oil can't compete. Bitcoin is the MVP by a country mile. In fact, Bitcoin has been the best performing asset class for 9 out of the past 12 years, beating stocks, bonds, gold, and more. A $1,000 investment in Bitcoin in 2010 would be worth about $1.62 billion. By August of 2025, invested in 2015 would be nearly $500,000 by August of 2025. Let's go deeper with some real-life stories. If you'd put just $100 in Bitcoin back in 2011, you could be looking at over $26,000 today. The same $100 in the S&P 500? Just under $300. Nice, but nowhere near crypto superstar status. Even during turbulent years, Bitcoin has rebounded faster and climbed higher than almost any asset. Now, when global uncertainty hits, Bitcoin is now regraded as a risk-off asset, a safe haven, right alongside or even beating gold, especially during inflation spikes, stock market drops, and international crises. So, what's making Bitcoin the champion? Fixed supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. No printing more, no dilution, making it digital gold and then some. Scarcity triggers demand. When the world prints more money, looking at you, central banks, Bitcoin's value proposition shines even brighter. Decentralization, no CEO, no government control, just a global, open network. Accessibility, anyone, anywhere can get started with spare change, something you can't say about real estate or even stocks in some countries. Community and momentum, early adopters, techies, and now even major institutions like BlackRock and MicroStrategy are jumping in, buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin so far, as this has kept Bitcoin in the global spotlight, driving both innovation and mainstream adoption. Is Bitcoin risky? Prices can swing big, sometimes stomach-churning levels, but the long-term trend is jaw-dropping growth. And let's face it, no other asset has made millionaires out of pizza buyers and meme lords quite like this. Bottom line, Bitcoin isn't just a passing fad. For a decade and a half, it's been the best performing asset around, outpacing stocks, gold, and more, sometimes by factors of up to 100x. And it's not slowing down. So, are you ready to see what's next for crypto and your financial journey? Hit that subscribe button, drop your questions and comments, and keep your notifications on, because at Blockstar U, we make sense and fun out of the wild world of money. The greatest investment stories are still unfolding, and you have a front row seat for the next chapter.